Part 5, dấu hỏi. With a question tone, it also is a difficult tone because a lot of people tend to not go low enough to produce the sound. Also, with this tone for Hainan accent is very low. You have the raising bit a little bit, but the most important part is actually to pull it way down. One more time, let's practice saying this word. We have ma, ma, ma. Can you hear that? I go very low at the ending part. When trying to say this one quickly, it sounds a little bit like a downtone, ma, ma, but shorter, ma, ma. So let's hear the downtone and the question tone together to hear the difference. With the downtone, it is ma. With the question tone, when I say it very quick, it is ma. Can you hear the difference? Ma, ma. Right, so the question tone goes lower. Now, let's learn how to say them properly first before we try to say them very quickly. All right, let's practice. First word we have hỏi, hỏi. To say it fast, I say hỏi, hỏi. Hear the difference? Hỏi, hỏi. Second one, phở, phở. Quick version, phở, phở. Next, đủ, đủ. Quick version, đủ, đủ. Hỏng, 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 hỏng. Mỏng, 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 mỏng. Mã, 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 mã. Mở, 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 mở. So with this tone, you have the option to drag the letter. In that case, remember the shape of it. Go a little bit up and then way down. We usually do this when we want to emphasize the word. Like, em hỏi, like I ask you. So when I emphasize the word, I need to stretch out the tone. But normally when I speak with my friends with the normal speed, then I just say hỏi, hỏi. So it sounds a little bit different. Same principle though, just make it quicker. Let's practice with a sentence with only the dấu hỏi, okay? So the sentence is bảo, hỏi, mở, cửa. Bảo is a guy's name. Hỏi is to ask. Mở is to open. Cửa is a door. So the literal translation is Bảo is asking to open the door. One more time, let's read this with me with a slow version first. Bảo, hỏi, mở, cửa. If I say it fast, it's gonna be Bảo, hỏi, mở, cửa. Bảo, hỏi, mở, cửa. And in the normal speaking, this is how I would say it. Bảo, hỏi, mở, cửa. Bảo, hỏi, mở, cửa. So the last word will be the word I emphasize. You can also hear the length of the word is a little bit longer than other words. Bảo, hỏi, mở, cửa. Okay? That's it. Thank you for listening. I hope you had a good time. I'll see you in the next lesson. Cảm ơn. Hẹn gặp lại.